Welcome back to Expert Crypto, guys. It's gonna be a time to party right now. We definitely got a lot of news to get into, guys. We got a lot of stuff to go over. I'm gonna be going over one thing that was absolutely crazy today. We had a little problem with True. This is why I always tell you guys, wait for the dips, and don't put large allocations in small caps. Yet again, you guys are still gonna be okay. At least that's my theory. Who knows? Who really knows? Okay, let's turn off the elevator music. All right, so hopefully you guys do not hear that elevator music still. All right, there we go. So what are we gonna get into first about True? All right. We had a little problem with this one. Let me pull it up on the display. All right, so you guys see this right here. I have a few theories about what happened to this. This is my main theory. I did read their white papers again, and the only thing that I can really tell, this is my own opinion. A few other people agree with me. The majority of people agree with me. But right when this happens, we saw True go from $1.20 to all the way down to $1 or to 22 cents. So what happened here is there's an arbitrage road bonding curve. That helps it stay above and have that flow upwards. But an early investor sold a large amount of True around 20, or he got in around 25 cents. He sold off a large amount. It was probably multiple people as well, and other people had selling bots or whatever. I had one in. You guys got to look up what those are. Maybe get one. But when you guys see this curve, like we see here, let me highlight it. Yeah, this was a pretty crazy thing to happen. So we see this curve, right? You see this curve up. The only time you guys see this happen is when there's an arbitrage bot that is helping it stay up. And what can happen is this can drop down, right? It came out of the bot turned off, I guess you can say. But what happens? That guy sold off, bot turned off, everyone sold because it came back down. The volume ended up prevailing with that, and we saw this large drop down, right? And now this is like every other project until it gets back up to this bot, I guess, this arbitrage bot curve yields, or curve bond, I guess you want to say, the bonding curve. Once it gets back up to there, we'll see it curve back up again, and the bot will be turned back on. But until then, it's just going to be like every other crypto. And we really need to make sure to pay attention to this. But I do see it bouncing back up, maybe to where the bot is turned on. I do definitely see it going back above $1.21, $1.22. This is the craziest road I have ever been a part of. Seriously, guys, I mean that when I say it. The craziest thing I've ever been a part of. The use case for this is still fire, guys. The use case is too hard. I really looked back through it. I looked back into it. Okay, so Ocean Protocol, the Ethereum contract, or the Ethereum smart contract auditor, and also the Coinbase co-founder are both in this project. So I don't see it being a rug pull, guys. The reverse rug pull happened. All right, no more talking about that. We are bullish on True. Let's get into some more news. So this happened yesterday, but largest Bitcoin whale in crypto history just moved $2 billion in Bitcoin. This isn't that big, but like I said, people are going to be buying a lot of these altcoins, and I do see him moving this Bitcoin around and buying some of these altcoins. Bank of England in UK Parliament. I need some coffee, guys. A little caffeine deprived. Yeah, it's time to party. It's time to get acclimated, guys. I am very bullish on the market, by the way. So UK Parliament gets Bitcoin, fixes this treatment. Okay, Bank of England, we saw that. Chinese province powered 8% of all Bitcoin mining. Then the governments gave miners 2 months to get out. This isn't too big of a thing. I really do see a lot of this changing. This is just a little bit of FUD, but like I said, a lot of FUD comes out on Sundays, guys. I don't see this affecting too much. This will probably get reversed very soon. Like I said, this is just an example of some FUD that got spurted out, and this wants me to subscribe to read more. I'm sorry, not going to happen. Bitcoin mining difficulty sees the largest downward adjustment of the year. See some more FUD, guys. Some more FUD always comes on Sundays. People love to wait. They wait to post these articles. They're like, we got to wait till Sunday. That's what the boss told us. We got to wait till Sunday, you know. Our boss wants us to get the Bitcoin price to go down a little bit. But this isn't, I don't see this affecting the price. It would have already done it by now. So that's why I'm saying that. So look at a guy bought early at around 25 cents, then provided liquidity this whole time. So the fees from Uniswap were immense. He probably made hundreds of thousands. So when he withdrew, he had 2 mil in liquidity pool, then dumped hard. He dumped 650K of them at once after pulling a large portion of the liquidity, then cascade effect with the bot, guys. So that's what it is. Guy made 150x profit. IDOs, guys, is what happens to IDOs. So they don't have arbitrage bots, but yeah, that's what happened. Okay, so also with Bitcoin, guys, we're looking at Bitcoin right now. Look how low we are. Look how low we are on this one. Okay, every time this shoots upwards, we have a large price increases. Okay, this is what happens, and when it comes back down, we have a lot of price decreases. And right now, it's looking very, very bullish in the short term. I do see this having a great effect with the price of Bitcoin short term. Monday, I do believe to be extremely bullish. We're going to put in some trades tonight. I do see a lot of trades cashing out probably by Tuesday or maybe even tomorrow. We're going to need to see what Bitcoin does. But tonight's probably going to be a late one for me. I might just say F it and just go hard all night, especially with Ethereum hitting 3K, guys. Ethereum's hitting 3K. This is a great time to be alive. This is a great time to see Vitalik really get it going. Okay. Yep, we see Bitcoin pumping. We see Ethereum almost at 3K. We're probably going to watch it. We're going to get the full dopamine effect of Ethereum hitting 3K. Once it hits that 3K number, we're going to get a rush of dopamine in our brain. Oh, guys, it hit. It hit, guys. It hit. We saw it. I know you guys saw it. We saw a high of 3K. Did not show it on here, but we saw it, okay? Let's see if we could see it. Sorry, guys. All right. Never mind that. We're going to go into a few more things, but let me switch it up here. All right. So we went over the altcoin news, check. We went over Ethereum, Bitcoin, check. And now we're going to get into the top gainers, okay? So top gainers today, I'll get into that stuff some more in a second, don't worry. But we saw Venus also have another pump today. They're up 93% in the past 7 days. OKB as well. I do see OKB consolidating around, I said around 150%. They're still going to pump though regardless, especially with this Bitcoin rise. But I do see a lot of things that do have potential that are going to be taking off, and we're going to put some trades in on them. So, yeah, the market's looking very good. It looks like it's going to be a very profitable week. We're going to party. We're going to make some money this week, and it's going to be all good in the long run, guys. We're going to have a lot of profits to be looking at, okay? One trade that I'm very, very keen on, all right? One trade that I'm keen on is we're going to go over some pick recaps though first, okay? So we did pick a few of these to go over with. I'm going to go over some of our picks, go over some of our profits, and get into a few of these small caps and mid caps that I'm very keen on. All right, let me actually not go over picks. Let's go over some small caps that we're keen on right now that we see getting lots of profits this week. So first one, I did talk about them in that small cap video I made today. Hopefully you guys pick some up. I was shilling them on Twitter all day today, and they're up 72%. If you guys picked up some pop, you guys are popping off right now. Even if you picked up some pop and some true, I promise you true will get past what you bought it for. It's just a matter of time. That's my theory though. I don't want to stand corrected, but having those type of backers, guys, having those types of backers supporting it, come on. Like I don't see it really. I've never seen anything like this, so I don't know. But having those backers, I don't see it. I don't see it plausible for it to be a rug pull. I think it's a reverse rug pull. Never heard that word. Okay, never heard of a reverse rug pull until today. That's pretty funny, guys. It's pretty funny. But look at the upwards movement. Look at the upwards movement that we're having right now in pop. Look at it's absolutely phenomenal, guys. A lot of hype. We were talking about this when it was at lower volatility. Look at the volatility increase, guys. It's just getting higher and higher. I think this is just starting out with pop. I think this is just the beginning. I think we found something very, very early that could be very, very promising. Maybe another try-us, okay? Maybe another try-us. Small allocations there, brothers. Small allocations there, brothers, okay? We don't want to see anyone get hurt, okay? Because we have seen some crazy stuff. Take your profits once you guys are in profit. It shows the I did go over this in the video, but you know what? Some of you guys probably didn't watch it all the way through. Yeah, look at the circulating supply. 80% of that is going to people who stake or farm them. So you can make around 900% APY a year by farming them. Just a heads up on that, 900% APY a year from farming them. Yeah, that's not too bad of a thing to do, especially with Pop. And I do see them getting some recognition. They are building up some hype, guys. Their hype has increased 200% yesterday. 105% the day before, and then 80% the day before that. And I'll need to see tomorrow, but I do see that trend of it going upwards in hype and mentions and posts on the internet continuing to go up. Take your profits, though. Take your profits. Don't be Mr. I'm going to make so much money. And I do see this fully diluted market cap. People don't know about the staking. You know, they're not just going to click the pop and look through the website. They see that. You see this, and people automatically click off, okay? And they're not going to scroll down all the way here, and they're not going to do this, okay? They're not going to do that. So just throwing that out there, and I am very bullish on them. Let's go over a few of these small caps that I have been shilling to you guys. I do have a lot of faith in Zero still. I do have a lot of faith in Zero. Oh, okay. Make sure to like the video, guys. I just got word in. You guys have to like the video, or else we're not going to get gains tomorrow. I just got that confirmed. I'm kidding, guys. You don't have to do that. But like I said, Zero Exchange, I do see them popping off in May. We just need an exchange listing. That's all we need with them, and good things are going to happen. Okay, good things are going to happen. We've seen multiple people, large investors in crypto, large clout following people have shouted out Zero. They've specifically been invested, said stuff online, said stuff on Twitter, but people do not want to use. They don't want to use Uniswap Zero Exchange or Bit Global. They want to use KuCoin, or they want to use PancakeSwap, or they want to use BNB. So I do see that's the only thing holding it back. But I got word in from Zero might be having one of those exchanges this month, and it's probably looking like that. And all the way, by the way, Bitcoin dominance 46%. I didn't really look into that too much today, but yeah, we're gonna see these altcoins pump, guys. We're gonna see these altcoins pump like we already have. All right, VRA is gonna be next. Take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out. It's gonna be a good night tonight, good day tomorrow. If you guys are in Europe, I saw a few of you guys. It's 3 a.m. there. You guys could sleep well tonight, or you guys could stay up. Whatever you guys want to do. So VRA is consolidating. They're very, very. I believe I could pull them up here. This would be better. All right, yeah, because I am still very bullish on VRA. I talked about them as well. We see them consolidating, guys, very heavily right now. We're going to need a breakout if we want to see a price push. But you want to know what's going to make them break out? What's the catalyst in the technical analysis that's going to make them break out? Well, you guys have to understand some news has to come out. Some very big news has to come out. And May is looking like a great month for some big news to come out for VRA and for them to smash that 54-cent support level that this one right up here. I do see them absolutely smashing it, having a huge run up once this BNB listing and this proof of view patent fully gets implemented, which will be sometime this month. They've been working on it for months, okay, for months. I've been waiting, okay? These gains do not happen overnight with most of these cryptos. You guys have to be waiting. You guys have to be patient, and good things will happen to you. All right, so Yeah, just hit 3K. Oh, we are at 3,026. Okay, 3,026. Let's go to ETH. All right, well, let's check them out. Look at this, guys. Smash the like button for 3K ETH. That's absolutely phenomenal, guys. We are living we're living good right now. 3K ETH. This is just proving my point about really right now Bitcoin, guys. Look where Bitcoin's at. We were hovering around 2,900 ETH all day. Bitcoin went up 1%. Oh my gosh, guys, we're gonna have such a good day tomorrow, especially with these retail or these institutional investors FOMOing in. I'm telling you, they will FOMO into Bitcoin tomorrow. There was even some bad news tonight. Bitcoin's holding strong. With the news that we saw, if this news was posted during the flash crash, we would have saw some more dips. But right now, everyone knows they're catching on to this FUD. I'm telling you, it's just a matter of time. How many times can you cry wolf, and not really get away with it, right? So we went over the small caps. We did that. We could get into the Q&A a little bit now. Sorry, guys, I'm gonna get into it more. Next time, I was a little bit unprepared. We were doing multiple things today. So we really need to hold our picks. We need to have our price targets ready. We need to be prepared to make some gains tomorrow or even tonight. I do see a lot of great things happening tonight, especially if Bitcoin holds 58. When the market opens tomorrow, the U.S. Market opens tomorrow, we're going to see probably a 2 to 3% increase in Bitcoin off the rip. I'm telling you, this is probably going to happen. All right, so PancakeSwap is another trade that we have in. That one's doing fairly well. Let me answer some questions. You guys want to go over FTM? We could do FTM. I'm probably going to keep this stream shorter, and then we'll do a great stream tomorrow morning. I'm just trying to update you guys. This is a party right now. Okay, we're finally hitting the prices that we want to. We kind of predicted what would happen over the weekend. Maybe a little dip in Bitcoin, but it's going to consolidate and then look bullish for Monday. Wasn't a hard prediction to make. This is what happens basically every weekend. So I'm not a genius, guys. I've just been doing crypto and doing it a lot, and notice these trends, notice these things that happen over and over and over. But yeah, FTM, we made over around 300% on our FTM trades. But yeah, you guys really want to make sure to. I'm possibly gonna move this. I'm gonna move this buy zone a little bit higher, only due to the fact of when Bitcoin pumps, FTM is going to pump dramatically because they've had 10x in their total gas usage. Okay, we're moving that buy zone up. I do not see it dipping any lower. I see this pulling off another massive run up. Okay, I do see another massive run up with FTM, guys. I do see it being able to break probably $2 in the next time this MACD flips, which this MACD could flip tomorrow, depending on what Bitcoin's going to do. And I do see FTM being one of the largest gainers yet again. And why do I say that? Like, they're really undervalued. They're extremely undervalued. Them and also Manic. I see Manic pulling off a large run-up again as well. They are really looking bullish on the charts too. Their dips were nothing, guys. Their dips was just a little breather. They didn't really even dip, okay? Their dip was absolutely nothing. And I would say to maybe pick some more up. I would dollar cost average, maybe pick some up more, some more now, just because I do see them pumping, especially soon. And we had a little Manic dip, and it did not hit our price target, which kind of sucked. It just barely did not get there. But you want to know what? It's okay. Sometimes it happens. You guys got to stay patient, stay ready. But look at this little dip we had. MACD is starting to flip, and we're gonna see this probably take another 100% run up in a week. I do see that possible, especially where things are headed. ERSDL. All right, we'll go over some ERSDL. Let me get out of this full screen. Oops. Here we go. I'll go over ERSDL for you. We don't have it on here. I forgot how we got to it. All right, sorry about that. Little correction. I did sell a little bit off today, but so did a lot of other people. There's people that got ERSDL, by the way, guys, around a cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. And when you see these run-ups, especially with something like ERSDL, people have been waiting a while for this. People have been waiting a while for run-ups like this. And once they get that first initial run-up, they'll sell, okay? And then I don't see another sell-off happening until another 2x from now, like we saw here. I think this might be the best chance to get ERSDL at the price it currently is right now. There's a lot of support to back that up. I mean, look at the past 3 months with them, okay? We really didn't have any dips. Look at this trajectory, okay? And when you saw this run-up, this huge run-up, okay? Compared to all of these other run-ups, this one was by far the largest with the amount of money that was being put into it, okay? So yeah, that's probably gonna be my favorite dip to buy ERSDL on. I did sell some, but for you guys to buy some, okay? Yeah, I just shilled you guys my bag so I could sell you. Kidding? Okay, I'm kidding. No, but yes. What is going on with ShopX? People are they need some more. They need some more news. They need some more coverage. But once they get everything released on schedule, ShopX will be fine. This is a great long-term hold. They're going to be around at least 2 figures, and you guys just got to be patient. Okay, you guys got to be patient. And this was one of the first largest, or one of the first large IDOs that we've had this year. So this one was really like people did not know what was going to happen with it. Especially off the IDO price, because this was one of the first big ones that we had. But I do still see it pulling off a 10x. That's very, very feasible with it. It just lost its hype because it was one of the first ones, and people are probably sick of looking at it right now. But they're going to buy on top of you. I can promise that once it gets a little bit momentum from some information. HDR update. All right. They're good. They're a really good long-term hold. That's probably going to be it. That's it for my update. No, I'm kidding. All right. So there was a little bit of momentum today. You saw a little whale activity, a big whale bought in. But you see when the volume spikes up just like this. This is a whale buying, by the way. Their volume is so low, guys. Their volume has been so low. Look how low their volume is. Okay, look how low their volume is. They had 7 million. Here they had 10 million, or not even 10 million. They had 9 million, okay, or 11 million. Their volume has been so low. Wait till they start picking up on volume. You could really tell how much hype is in something with volume. When we saw these coins start to pick up, start to pop off, their volume will be at least 100 million, 200 million. Their volume will be more than their market cap. And HDR has yet to have that, okay? Not having that and being around 250 million market cap is absolutely insane. It just shows you how undervalued they are just from a technical analysis standpoint. That's what I picked up on. They haven't been hyped up at all. All right, I'll check out Typerium. This is probably a very, very small one, I figured. But yeah, like I said, volume is a great tool to be able to check how much something pumped up, or how much something has gotten attention sought to it. HDR is just not on a lot of dexes as well. You guys got to be buying stuff that's not on a lot of dexes if you guys want to hold long term and make massive profits. That does help. But yet again, you guys have to be holding stuff on other dexes just to get good returns short term. Yeah, anything that's going to be off dex is a great buy long term, especially with the fundamentals that it has. Very, very bullish on HDR. This just reminds me of UTK a little bit, right? This is just a wallet online. I am bullish on UTK. You guys know that. They've been doing pretty good. Oh, no, it's not digital content in just seconds. I'm not sure how profitable that would be, but we'll have to see. Let's check what UTK is doing. Utrust. Up 49% today. Wow, I didn't even know that, guys. Did not even know that. what happened. I haven't talked about them in a while, but yeah, I have been bullish on them for quite a while on my channel. Just saying, gotta flex when the games come in, and then when they dip, you guys gotta. We're not talking about it. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, you guys buy on the dips, sell on the gains. Okay. Where's their roadmap? Their website's so trash. Like, look at it. It's extremely laggy, and I have great internet, great computer. Should not be doing this. It's kind of aggravating. Something came out about them, but it's basically a very easy way to send online payments. Okay, you could send online payments to another phone very easily through crypto. TrueBit. Have you seen TrueBit? Went to yes, I have seen TrueBit. It went to 28 cents. We just talked about that, and yeah, arbitrage bot messed up a little bit. All right, I'm going to end the stream there. We got ETH above 3K. We got to end on a good note. We got Bitcoin over 58. The whole market is looking extremely bullish short term. Tomorrow morning, we'll go over exactly what we're doing, and looking very, very promising, guys. TrueBit will be pushing back above $1.20. That's my theory, at least. They really only crashed due to the arbitrage bot failing, and that was because of the massive sell-off. With one whale in particular. So do not be too worried. That was a great opportunity to buy again. You guys could probably still dollar cost average into it now and dollar cost average on the dips while these apes do not know what's going on. That's just a theory. It's not confirmed, but I do think that's what happened. You guys could read it here. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notification. That's going to be the end of the video.